فاليوم إن شاء الله بنتكلم عن الابيثيليال تيشو، كونكتيف تيشو، ماسل تيشو. تمام؟ فيمكن بعدين على السريع نتكلم عن شو اسمه الريجنريشن وهذا، ما عندي مشكلة. بس شوف إذا نسيت نقطة كبيرة، إذا نسيت أذكر تيشو وقفوني قولوا لي، ما عندي مشكلة. خلاص. إذا مثلا شيء مش واضح بعد وقفوني يسألوني. سؤال ما له داعي أو فلسفة مو مشكلة، بس بعد الليكتشر. أوكي؟ فأنا ما بشرح لكم ديتيلز، أنا يعني تقريبا بغطي 70% وبشرح لكم بطريقة إن الدكتور شو يبغي منكم، شو متوقع منكم بالامتحان. لكن يسمع بس الفيديو يروح الامتحان يمكن يجاوب بس 60-70%. اللي يبغى يجاوب 100% لازم يرجع الكتاب. تمام؟ بس مو الدكتور بيجاوب الطالب، بس أعطيكم اللي أعتقد إنه بيدخل في الامتحان، بعطيك كلمات يعني معلومات دارس شو ممكن يدخل الامتحان. أوكي؟ When we talk about tissues, I like to talk about 4 things: definition, function, characteristic, and types. Once you talk about all those 4, you almost covered everything that we need to know about the epithelial tissue. So what is the definition of epithelial tissue? It's the lining, covering, and glandular tissue. What is the lining of this lecture point? Carpet. Zulia. صح؟ تمام. What is the function? 4 things: protection, absorption, filtration, secretion. Tamam? The characteristics are important. We might get this in short answer. But you have, I think, 4 characteristics, right? 4 points. First one, what was it? Avascular. Avascular, it means it doesn't have blood supply. If it doesn't have blood supply, it means it's either dead or it's getting its blood supply from somewhere else. No? But let's say this is the epithelial tissue. And below it lies something I'll talk about in a little bit. And then here we have the connective tissue. In the connective tissue we have capillaries. The oxygen and the nutrients the epithelial tissue needs will come through diffusion from the tissue that lies beneath it. Tamam? Because the tissue that lies beneath it has blood supply or blood capillaries. So it will get its nutrient through diffusion from the tissue that lies beneath it. Okay? Right. So it's avascular. We have to know that the cells lie fit close to each other, except glandular tissue. You might get this circle the incorrect answer. So all epithelial tissues fit close to one another to form a sheet, except glandular tissue. الخط صغير ولا زين؟ كبر شوي. اوكي. تمام. تشوفون منين باين؟ بعدين in the epithelial tissue we have surface that is exposed, not covered. For example, the skin, all of this is exposed. We call this the apical surface. And we have surface that lies below. We call it the basal surface. So this is the apical surface, and this is the basal surface. On the basal surface, it's connected to the basement membrane. Okay? The green thing is called the basement membrane. It's not necessarily green, but I just colored it differently so you guys would understand. The basement membrane is like مثلا ما بين the tissue that lies beneath it and the epithelial tissue is the basement membrane. For example, الحين عندنا زولية تحتها رخام أو بلاط. بيناتهم شو glue. We'll see مثلا this glue is the basement membrane. تمام؟ epithelial tissue has apical surface, basal surface, and the basement membrane lies beneath it. Okay? خلصنا من characteristic and function and definition. Epithelial tissue. We need 2 things. One, we describe the layers, and one, we describe the shape, whether it's flat, or cuboid, or shape as a column. So it could be simple or what? Stratified. Simple is what? One layer. Stratified is what? Multiple layers. Then the shape is squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Okay? So this is the layer, this is the shape. We combine both to describe the type of epithelial tissue that we have. Okay? So we'll start describing each one. You have to know the location of them. Where are they located? So first, let's talk about simple. What's the function? Diffusion, filtration, secretion. So everything except protection. Protection is for stratified. Simple, everything except protection. Come on. We have simple squamous. You have simple cuboidal. We have simple columnar. Okay? Don't worry about the spelling mistakes. For simple squamous, remember that it's found in three places. Do you remember any? Air sacs. Next to the air sacs lies what? Blood capillaries. What else? Kidney tubules. So the lung is like this. We have two lungs. If you take part of the lung and put it under the microscope, you will find out that it consists of multiple air sacs. And oxygen comes here. Beneath it lies the blood capillaries. Here happens the exchange between oxygen and carbon dioxide. Come on? So when talking about air sacs, they're found inside the lungs. Oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange will happen between the air sacs and the blood capillaries. So simple squamous is found in the blood capillaries and the air sacs. Right. The squamous is found in three places. Alveolar sac, blood capillaries, or serosa. You guys know what serosa means?
No.
Okay. Inside the human body, we have organs inside. So for example, let's talk about the bowel and intestines. We have something that covers those bowel. We call it the peritoneum. Okay? So this peritoneum, the lining of the peritoneum is called serosa. تمام؟ حتى the lungs. This is the lung. We have something that covers it. We call it the pleura. It's something that covers it, مثل the wall that covers it. We call the pleura. So the lining of the pleura is called serosa, or serous membrane. Secretes a fluid called serous fluid. فهمتوا شو هو السيروزا؟ أكيد؟ تمام. The squamous, three places. Serosa, alveolar sacs, blood capillaries. The cuboidal also memorize three places. Glands. What else? Kidney tubules. You know what kidney tubules is? Third one, wall of ovaries, or covers the ovaries. Okay, so memorize. In columnar, you have to memorize goblet cells. Goblet cells, they secrete mucus. Okay? Memorize goblet cells. Memorize digestive tract. From the stomach to the anus. مش from the mouth. Okay? GI tract يعني gastrointestinal tract. في حد ما يعرف شو هو الجي اي تراكت؟ اشرح لكم وش. عندنا الماوث، بعدين عندنا الاسوفاجس اللي مر هني مريء، بعدين عندنا الستومك، بعدين عندنا الديودينوم، بعدين عندنا اللارج انتستين او الكولون، بعدين عندنا السيجمويد colon والانر canal. You don't have to know all of this, but I'm just explaining. And the simple columnar starts from the stomach till the anus. Okay? Not from the esophagus. Tamam? We have something called pseudostratified. Pseudostratified, it looks stratified, but it's not. It's only one layer. Yeah, and this is simple columnar. Simple columnar, all of them are at the same height, and the nucleus lie at the same line. But the pseudostratified, not all of them are at the same height. The nucleus does not lie at the same height. So to look as if it's stratified, but it's not. Okay? This is found in the respiratory tract. Tamam? The pseudostratified located in the respiratory tract. Also, there are goblet cells. Also, it has cilia. Cilia are like small processes on the top of the cells that will work to sweep the mucus away from the respiratory tract. Okay? The mucus will trap the dust, and the cilia will sweep away the mucus that has dust in it. Come on? For simple, we have squamous, serosa, ursa, blood capillaries, cuboidal, glands, kidney tubules, ovaries, columnar, goblet cells, GI tract. So the stratified respiratory tract. Come on? And this one?
Stratified يعتبر simple.
Stratified حلو الكلام. Pseudo stratified is not considered stratified. Pseudo means it resembles, looks like, but it's actually not.
Fake.
تمام؟ Fake. الحين for example if you ask you where does what kind of where will we find مثلا what will you find the kidney tubules? Simple keyboard. You go simple squamous. الstratified أسهل من الsimple. Function is what? Protection. تمام؟ عندكم simple عندكم squamous cuboidal columnar. Transitional بنتكلم عنها simple. Stratified protection. Squamous multiple layers. Usually, when we talk about stratified squamous, we mean the last layer of the cell of the stratified epithelial tissue is what squamous. But at the beginning can come cuboidal or columnar. But when we specify, we look at the last layer. And this the last layer of this is squamous. We call stratified squamous. Where is it found? In places that takes high skin, high friction, mouth, esophagus. تمام؟ Esophagus is part of the digestive tract. بس from the stomach to the anus قلنا شو؟ simple columnar. The mouth, esophagus, skin, stratified squamous. Okay? Simple cuboidal, simple columnar is rare. مكتوب الكتاب and you'll find them in large ducts. بس it's rare. تمام؟ عندكم something called transitional. اللي بيسألني عنه سؤال بعد الليكتشر. اوكي؟ ترانزيشنال تذكروا urinary bladder. يحبون هالسؤال. urinary bladder بس it's found somewhere else مثل اليوترس. found the ureters واليوريثرا. تعرفون شو اليوريترس واليوريثرا؟ مو مشكلة. عندنا kidneys. 2 kidneys. One urethra out of each kidney will go to the urinary bladder. And the urethra will come out of the urinary bladder. So, transitional from the ureters, the urinary bladder, the urethra. Also in the uterus. What's unique about this is that it's changed its shape. ما عنده شكل واحد محدد. تمام؟ فأول شيء مثلا when the urinary bladder is not full, the shape of the cells will be dome shaped. شكل مثل الدائرة. once the urinary bladder is full أو starts stretching, فأنت كأنك you're pushing away the cells قاعد تفحصهم بعيد عن بعض, they'll be flat أو square shaped. تمام؟ الترانزيشنال can be stretched usually in the urinary bladder, ureters, urethra, uterus. في عندنا بعد أيوة glandular tissue. Glandular tissue, remember, read more about it, but remember, you have endocrine, exocrine glands. Short answer question. Name for me the type of glands and the differences between them. Endocrine, ductless. Exocrine, they have ducts. Give examples. Endocrine, pituitary, adrenal. Thyroid gland, adrenal, pituitary. Tamam? Exocrine, sweat glands, oil glands. Okay? Exocrine, they have ducts. Endocrine, they don't have ducts. Exocrine secretes its secretions into the outside, exterior. Endocrine into the bloodstream. تعرفون شو الفرق ولا لا؟ into the bloodstream أو the exterior؟ أرسم لكم ولا؟
نعم.
أوكي. في بعضهم دبل جلانس مثل البنكرياس مثال وايد مشهور. Pancreas is both endocrine and exocrine. For example, عندنا الثايرويد هني. تمام؟ The thyroid, once it's make thyroxine or thyroid hormone, it will not release outside, it will release it into the bloodstream. Arteries. تمام؟ والarteries will take the thyroid hormone throughout the body. The sweat glands will release the sweat outside the body through the skin. تمام؟ Through ducts. Okay? And this is the difference. Endocrine through the bloodstream. Exocrine, they will not use the bloodstream. They will use ducts and release it to the exterior. تمام؟ The connective tissue مثل ما قلت لكم definition, type, function, characteristic function و types. The definition of connective tissue is the most abundant tissue. You have to know about this. It connects body tissues together. Function شو؟ Connection, support, protection. Okay? شو characteristic? Two things. You have to know عكس الابيثيليال. كيف شو كان؟ avascular. The connective is well vascularized. تمام؟ خلاص. Vascularized. الله أعلم. بس generally كتب لك أنت. Second characteristic show and they have extracellular matrix. This is very important. إيه حق إكسار؟ إيه حق cellular؟ أهم حق matrix. يقول ما أعرف شو يعني الاختصارات. Extracellular matrix. الحين connective tissue. To have connective tissue, we need two things. We need different type of cells depending on what kind of connective tissue we have. سواء كان bones ممكن يكون عندنا osteocytes. إذا كان عندنا cartilage عندنا chondrocytes. Depending on the type of connective tissue, we have different types of cells. وعندنا بعد extracellular matrix. The extracellular matrix of each connective tissue is not the same. Okay? We need both of those two to have connective tissue. نتكلم عن extracellular matrix in details. The extracellular matrix is not living. يعني it doesn't شيء مو بحي. مثلا for example, if you need a garden, you need trees, we need sand. You need both of those two to have a garden. صح ولا لا؟ The trees are living, sand is not living. Okay? Extracellular matrix consists of two things. G for ground, S for substance. Ground substance, fibers. Okay? The ground substance consists of three things. Water, adhesion protein, charged polysaccharide molecules. One, adhesion protein شغلته attaches cells to fibers. تمام؟ adhesion protein شغلته attaches cells to fibers. Charged polysaccharide molecules شغلته traps water. The more it traps water, the more fluid-like the extracellular matrix is going to be. مثلا it could be fluid-like water, أو it could be gel-like مثل معجون الأسنان، أو it could be solid مثل العظام أو البول. تمام؟ ف الفايبرز we have different types, 3 types. عندنا collagen, elastic, وريتيكولار. احفظوا ان الكولاجين وايت فايبرز والالاستيك يلو فايبرز. تذكروا وايت بونز هارد، الاستيك شنو الالاستيك يكون من اصفر صح؟ فالاستيك يلو، كولاجين وايت. انا بالامتحان سؤال وكان جوابه كولاجين فايبرز، لكن في الاجوبه ما كتب كولاجين فايبرز، كتب وايت فايبرز. لحد ذكر تكون قبل 5 سنين تقريبا. تذكروا كولاجين elastic reticular. Collagen fibers are strong fibers. تمام؟ Very tensile مثل bones. Elastic يعني something can change its shape but will come back to its regular shape مثل ears. قد مع فصل ترجع نفس الشكل. تقريبا يعني معظم الموضوع اللي تقدر تعويه وكيف تسوي بدأ يرجع نفس الشكل. تمام؟ مثل elastic بعد. Reticular read more about it. بس if it was me وانا كنت متوهق ما اعرف شو اسوي خلاص الحين ادخل امتحان بعد دقيقتين بتذكر ان it has a function in the internal framework وبتذكر spleen. internal framework spleen بس you have to read more about it. internal framework spleen. في كلمه ستروما حاطين عليها هايلايت بالبولد. تمام؟ فالحين you need all of those with the cells to have the connective tissue. في حد ما فهم الاكسترا سيلولر ماتريكس او الكونكتيف تيشو؟ اكيد؟ مفهوم الاكسترا سيلولر ماتريكس؟ نعم. الحين types of connective tissue. عندنا 5 types. سالنا أول شيء شو؟
Next.
Very good. بعدين adipose. بعدين loose. شو بعد؟ لا. في البون مكسر صح؟ لا بالكتاب مكتوبين دنس روحه ولوز كونكتيف في البون. يمكن في كتاب ثاني مش هتصل طريقه غير بس بالكتاب دنس كونكتيف ولوز كونكتيف. تمام؟ فنبدا من السهل. بونز ساعات يسمونه اوستيوس تيشو. اوستيوس تيشو. اوستيوس سبيلنج غلط انا عارف تيشو. تمام؟ الامتحان تصل غلط MCQ. السيلز bone cells are called what? Osteocytes. They lie in what? لاكونا. لازم تعرفوا اللاكونا موجود بالبون بالكارتج. بون وكارتج لان يا سؤال السنه اللي طافت واحد قال لي ان شو اسمه انا بالمالتيبل تشويس كان موجود كارتج ولاكونا وما كنت عارف ان اللاكونا موجود بالكارتج بعد. اوكي؟ فنرسم لكم رسمه مثلا this is lacuna. Lacuna is surrounded by layers of extracellular matrix. تمام؟ The extracellular matrix you have to know it's very hard, which have calcium salts inside. Inside the lacuna we have the what? Osteocytes. Okay? مفهوم؟ Bones are very hard. ما هو في شيء. تمام؟ خلصنا البون. بون is not connective tissue. اوكي؟ الكارتريج عندكم 3 تايبس. اول واحد شوف ثاني واحد شوف فايبرو، ثالث واحد شوف إلاستيك. اوكي. الهاي لاين وين does it lie؟ تراكيا واللارنكس الموجودين هنا. اللارنكس هذا هو. where else؟ بالكوستو نعم صح. بالفيتس الجنين يكون بطن ما يكون يعني هي هذا لا هايلاين كارتريج، بعدين بيتحول لبون. تمام؟ وبعد في مكان مثلا this is the sternum. sternum هذه الستيرنم العظمه اللي هني. بعدين we have ribs coming. الكارتريج will attach the ribs to the sternum. تمام؟ اوكي؟ طيب الابيثيسيال جروث بليتس ار هايلاين ولا لا؟ تمام؟ الابيثيسيال جروث بليتس موجودين بوريكم. Let's consider this is a bone. يكون موجودين هنا. As long as you have them, it means you can grow more or become taller. تمام؟ فقلنا 4 places. Connects the rest of the sternum, is a growth plate, at the fetus. شو آخر واحدة؟ trachea أو voice box in larynx. تمام؟ الفايبرولاستيك cartilage between the vertebrae. العمود الفقري. الvertebrae الفقرات. Between them the intervertebral disc. Highly compressible. Okay? The elastic, remember the ear. Okay? Cartilage, the cells for cartilage is what? Chondrocytes. They lie in lacuna. في واحد جراسي blue appearance هذا يحفظوها، يمكن يقول لكم characteristic، يقول لكم مثلا what kind of tissue is this. Okay? وخلصنا البون والكارتريج.
الالاستيك وين القاها؟
الالاستيك في اليوم. الفايبرو بالانترفيرتبرال ديسكس between the vertebrae. اوكي؟
تقدر تكتب
كل واحدة وين موجودة؟ ولا شو اكتب؟
لا الفايبر انت قلت كلمه
انترفيرتبرال. بكتب لك اياها. Vertebral disc.
Example حق الفايبر هذا.
Fiber intervertebral disc between the vertebrae, highly compressible. تمام؟ areolar tissue. اوكي؟ الاريولار في key words. And it's the most abundant connective tissue. أكثر واحدة موجودة. Where other functions in protection wraps the organs. Okay? It functions as a reservoir, مخزن of water and nutrients. So when tissues need to take nutrients or excrete waste, it will use the areolar tissue. Okay? بعد لما يصير inflammation. أبغى أرسم لكم ولا تعرفون كيف يصير لك فلويد ما أدري كيف؟ تعرفون؟ لما يصير inflammation بيصير في excess fluid. الأريولار تيشو will act as a sponge. It will soak up. بيشفط الexcess fluid. بتنتفخ. بيصير شيء اسمه edema. تمام؟ So you have to know those points about areolar tissue. Reservoir of water. Tissues take nutrients and excrete waste into it. Traps up the organs. Most abundant one. Which soaks up excess fluid in interstitial during inflammation. تمام؟ The adipose tissue, remember fat cells, adipocytes. It also functions in protection. Function as a fuel. لما تحتاجون fuel مثلا you can use the adipose tissue. طيب, the adipocyte, inside of it will have a lot of oil. Usually, the nucleus lies in the center of the cell. But the adipose tissue has oil. So it will displace the nucleus to the side. Tamam? But this is the adipocyte. Okay? reticular tissue مثل ما قلت لكم ذكروا internal framework وذكروا skin. اوكي؟ ستروما وظني كاتبين lymphoid tissue وشيء. So all of those three are considered what? Loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Okay? And that's we have two things. في ناس كاتبين regular irregular. I will not talk about those details لأن I'll stick to your book. عندنا tendons. شو بعد؟ Ligaments. Tendons attach muscle to bone. This is the bicep. We have a tendon here. It's attached to the bone. Ligament, bone to bone. Understand? هذه هي bicep muscle. No? There's a bone here. The tendon will attach the muscle to the bone. Come on? But let's say this is another bone here. Tendon will attach, the ligament will attach bones to bones to form a joint. Tendons, ligaments. Form? Which one is more flexible?
Ligaments.
Okay? Ligaments bone to bone, tendons muscle to bone. You have to know that those are they have less vascular supply, so some cartilage. Okay, that's very hard to heal. فهذا connective tissue.
في بعد الدم.
blood, sorry. The blood, why do we consider it as connective tissue? في حدا جاوب؟ أيوة, we have cells which are white blood cells, red blood cells. We have an extracellular matrix who are considered as plasma. عرفت كيف؟ But it's a fluid connective tissue. نعم. طيب. In muscle tissue we have three types: skeletal, cardiac, smooth. تاخذون بعدين إن شاء الله muscle chapter هذا السمستر بنكون details أكثر. لكن الحين بعطيكم يعني تريكس عشان تعرفون تجاوبون العيال وقت بالشغل. تفضل أي وحدة voluntary. Skeletal is it voluntary? Yes. Voluntary يعني something can control. The skeletal muscle مثل biceps. Bones that muscles that are attached to bones. مثلا I can control when I will flex my arm. مثل facial muscles they are attached to skin, but I still can control them. I control if I want to smile, want to frown. Okay? Cardiac muscle تقدر تتحكم مش كثر ضغط قلبك ضغط الدقيقة؟ لا. It's involuntary. Smooth involuntary. تعرفون وين smooth muscle موجودين؟ blood vessels. Then the vessels can constrict and can dilate. When it's constrict, it will raise the blood pressure. So we can't control our blood pressure, صح ولا لا؟ وبعد السموث muscles موجودين بالجي اي تراكت. بشرح لكم بعدين شو هو البريستالسيس. We need the smooth muscles to do peristalsis to يعني to move the pieces of waste. Okay? The smooth muscle is involuntary, cardiac is involuntary, skeletal muscle is voluntary. Striated. أي واحدة striated? Skeletal is it striated?
Yes.
Cardiac?
Yes.
Smooth?
No.
بعدين multi-nucleus. يحبون هاي. Skeletal is it multi-nucleus?
Yes.
Cardiac?
No.
Smooth?
Yes.
So skeletal is the only one that is voluntary, the only one that is multi-nucleus. Okay? ذكر اسمه the spindle shape ما ادري هم ولا بس ذكر. في intercalated disc في واحدة مكتوب branch. skeletal عندها intercalated disc. Is it branching? Cardiac?
Yes.
Is it branching?
Yes.
Small?
No.
Branching? So memorize all of those. You have to know all of those. تمام؟ نيرفس تشو سهل جروب راي ما يبغى شيء. بعد شو اسمه خلي التصوير بعد شو اسمه الريجنريشن والانفلاميشن هذا ميمورايز ذا ستيبس. يمكن يكتب سؤال شورت انسر مثلا mention the steps of healing. They have to write the steps مثلا what happens in each one. سهل ما يبغى شيء. بس remember ان خلي التصوير. Remember ان الكاردياك والنيرفس تشو are replaced by scar or fibrous tissue. وبعد other tissues can be replaced by scar or fibrous tissue if the damage was severe. بس remember cardiac muscle tissue are replaced by scar tissue. Okay? Cardiac and nervous tissue are replaced by scar tissue. Cardiac and nervous tissue are replaced by scar tissue. If there was an injury